All right, I want to give you a little extra help on the Delta Math. I know sometimes there's a difference between listening to my lesson and then seeing what I actually am expecting you to do on Delta Math. So I'm going to go through a couple of them with you, just so you can kind of watch how I enter it, and hopefully that helps you complete the rest of this assignment. So I picked specifically the one at the end where you have to do a little bit of everything. So this one, they're giving you the set notation. They're asking you to write the interval notation, and then they're asking you to draw a number line that represents it. So when you're doing an or is probably the most challenging. So this is a good one for me to do with you. So it's everything that's less than or equal to 2. So we need a parentheses next to the negative infinity and a bracket next to the 2. So we're going to have negative infinity because that's where it starts, and then 2. So that's my first part of that inequality, everything that's less than or equal to -2. And if you try a notation and it's not working right, you can always delete it and click a different button if you click the wrong one. And then I want to join that or have that union with everything that is 10 or equal to 10 or bigger. So I need a bracket around the 10. And then I want to go to infinity. I always have a parentheses around things that are infinite. So there's my interval notation. I'm going from negative infinity to 2, closing my bracket because it includes it, and then I'm going from 10 to infinity, closing the bracket around 10. So on my number line, I want to put a point at 2, and I want to keep going. So, and it's closed circle. If I want to change it to an open circle, I click it. I want it closed. And then 10, and I just point and drag to infinity. Again, if I want to make it open, I click on it. If I want it closed, I click back on it. And I can click the line. If I decide I didn't like it, I can click on the line to delete it. So I've got from -2 to everything below it, 10 to everything above it, close circles, submit my answer. There we go. Let me see if I can find one other that's a little different. Oh, that's the same type of problem. Let me see if I can find an and. There's an or, so you will have ones that you'll have to take the picture and write the or. Let's see. Thought maybe I could have a good and one. Maybe we don't have one. Oh, no. Here we go. I don't know why it took so long to get there. So this is an and one. It's everything going from 4 to 8. So both 4 and 8 are included. So I went brackets around both. I'm going to hit 4 and I'm going to go to 8. And then my number line is going to go from 4 to 8. Again, my circles are both closed. If I want them open, I click on it. If I want to fill it back in, I click on it. If I want to get rid of this, if I say, you know what, forget that, that wasn't right, let's try again. So you have the ability to kind of change your work as you go, submit your answer, and there you have it. So I want to show you a couple of those just to give you an idea of how we can go from one form to the next and what they expect on Delta Math. Hope that helps.